So title, very important. Remember when I said focus on one or two keywords. Remember that title said vloggers, colon, landmark beach in Lagos. That's vloggers is one keyword, landmark beach is another keyword, Lagos is another keyword. And that's how you make it nice, short and sweet. Because what you want as a YouTuber, you want your videos to be, you want it to get traction. You want people to see your videos. Remember, there's trillions of people in this whole world. You're competing with not just YouTubers in Lagos, Nigeria. You're competing with YouTubers all over the world. Always remember that. But one thing that would be someone in India would never ever be searching for Port Harcourt YouTubers. Why? So YouTube knows who exactly, what users search on this particular keyword. It probably recognizes that most of the people are Nigerians. So I will promote those video content to people from Nigeria or people who have an interest in that particular keyword. Make it about the viewer. Your content has to be top notch. It has to be, hey, as I said, when most of you people actually did a review about this course last week, I was just smiling. I was just smiling through. I was like, okay, I'm well impressed, And you guys have actually implemented some of the things we even talked about on that course. So I was actually well impressed. Make it about your viewers. Let your viewers actually smile. Avoid words like, remember, I keep on saying this, why I went to the market. Why I went to the market is so general. YouTube would never ever, recommend your product to anybody who does any search on why. So you can actually say something like, was the market worth this? And then you put Lekki market or something afterwards. Make that the keywords, the focus keyword. Your description, one or two of the keywords in the first two lines. So when you're writing your descriptions, because you're optimizing all this for YouTube, you want YouTube to recognize and say, okay, YouTube, this content I'm actually providing for is for this particular sort of keyword in your database. Try not to duplicate your title in the description. Don't duplicate it. Try and just be creative when you're writing your description. It's different when you're writing your title, but your description, let it just be like 1-2 lines. Put your one or two keywords in there. Describe who you are, what you do, and other video links to your favorite videos. Most of you actually do this anyway. In the description, sometimes those, wherever you can actually put it, tell them to subscribe. And finally, use hashtags. Now, to be honest with you, I mean, I keep on thinking that hashtags is like, some people, they don't actually really know how to use hashtags. And let me show you guys hashtags. How do you find out what hashtags to actually use? Yet again, you have to go and do your research. Okay, so you put in your hashtag in the search, and what you searching for. Let's look for something like Lagos. There's so many hashtags for Lagos there. Okay, Lagos market, is there anything for Lagos market? No, there's not. Okay, let's look for something else. Lagos, Nigeria. Yes, there's a hashtag for Lagos, Nigeria. If you just go and put any random hashtag, there's no traffic there. There's no point. You go and put something like, let's say, Nigeria, Lagos. There's no hashtag in Nigeria, Lagos on YouTube. So you're not actually getting anybody who's doing a search on Lagos. You're not, your content is not actually coming up. So this is one of the things that you guys need to actually go do some research. Look, Port Harcourt YouTubers, there's a hashtag on it, and there's a hashtag on Port Harcourt. But there's no hashtag on Port Harcourt's YouTubers masterclass. There's nothing like that. So there's no point actually putting Port Harcourt masterclass. There's no point. Keywords and tags. I mean, I've explained to you what the keywords are. Tags when you're using tags, it's just basically using those keywords, the tags section of when you're uploading a video. So I actually talked about Potacot Masterclass, Potacot YouTubers. Those are the sort of tags you need to be putting when you're uploading your video. Two apps that normally helps with tags: TubeBuddy and vidIQ. Those apps are actually free on Google Play Store. Download it, and they actually help with finding tags you can actually put. So when it becomes like you're uploading a video and you start putting something like Potacots, it automatically starts helping you find other tags that you could actually use for your videos. Download, if you haven't actually downloaded these two apps, and play around with it. Tags, this is the best place for all your keywords. So remember, in the title and in the description, use one or two keywords, but in the tags, you can put like up to about 10 keywords in your tag section. Okay, and make sure they're actually relevant keywords, because what you don't want to do is actually confuse YouTube. You want it to be specific. You want your keywords to be specific to a certain niche, so that when people are searching for it, they can relate your video to that niche. So what you don't want to do is actually, put tag for market and then put another tag for Lekki, put another tag for, they're not related at all. Use TubeBuddy, use vidIQ, and use the YouTube search to look for your keywords so you can relate all of them all together.